purpose of God, you do the assignment kaNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu akubizele yona, that's when you have fulfilled indaba yokuphila. Kunabantu abantu bathi ngiphilile indima yami, kodwa emazwini solo kuyabheka ukuthi awukaze wayidlala indima yakho uNkulunkulu akubizele yona. Bathandekayo, abanye uNkulunkulu babizele ukwakha, abantu bathi abakwazi ukwakha yiba ababhidli zakho. Abanye babizele ukuthi bakwazi ukunesa kodwa yibona baqosha abantu. Bathandekayo, you haven't fulfilled the assignment. He said you haven't fulfilled the assignment. The burden will still remain, the hunger will still remain until you fulfill the purpose of God. That's when you'll be able to overcome. That's when you'll be able to rise up, because you have fulfilled the purpose of God. And the man said to what is life? Life is when you fulfill the purpose of God. Uma wenza intando kaNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho, that's when you have done imbathandeka impilo. Usungakaye usathi uyaphila usenza izinto zasemhlabeni, you haven't done the purpose of God. Until wenza intando kaNkulunkulu, that's when you have fulfilled and completed done what bathandeka intando kaNkulunkulu. Phela besafike ukuthi cha bazana uyidlalile indima yakhe emhlabeni.